Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import any of the ActorCore 3D motions into your Unreal Engine 5.7, and you can just use it in your Unreal Engine 5.7. It will automatic retarget. You don't need to do any extra job. That means the ActorCore itself already done all the job. What you need to do is just go and pick it and download or purchase with a really low price, and then once you already get it, then you directly import it into Unreal Engine 5.7. It will automatic retarget. Just drag and drop and you can just use it immediately. And I'm going to show you all this step by step how to make this. Alright, the first step, what you need to do is just go to my video descriptions and click into the link that I given as the ActorCore. The link of the ActorCore, you click, it will automatic open with a new tab, and then from the ActorCore website here, you can just choose the motions, click the motions, it will appear at here, but you need to log in. It is really easy, just click login and just click login with Google, connect with the Google. It will just log in with just one click. It will automatic log in. Once you already log in, it will just come back to the home page. You just need to click again the motion. Alright. So now I'm going to just show you this step by step how to get any of the motion that you want with really a low price and import into the Unreal Engine 5.7. Everything will just set up properly. So now I just choose something that is more interesting. Just for example, this one. It is really useful to use it in the game, so I just need to click add to cart here. And then I click one more time, it will appear in my cart. Which one? Just now. Alright, not this. So this is just a demo, the jump landing, and this is also what I want. I just click checkout, and at here you can just pay with the PayPal, the credit card, or whatever. I already purchased many times. It is just really useful. And for this time, I have the DA point because I top up the DA point. It is up to you. If you want to have a really easy process, just use PayPal. It's okay. So this time I have some DA point. I will just apply. Tick here, agree, and continue. It is really super easy. Alright, once done already, you can see the download panel is at here. Click finish, click to download here. Alright, but if you already skip this, if you already close this, when you open it again, and you can just check it in your inventory. Just move your mouse cursor to here and check the inventory. But before that, you need to place the order first. Place the order. Now, then download in my inventory. So now you can see actually where is your inventory. Just move your mouse cursor to here and the inventory is here. The one that just now is motion, the actor, the motion. It is the motion and jump landing. So now, because of you want to just bring it into the Unreal Engine 5, so I'm going to just show you everything from beginning. I'm going to just close this project and I don't want this. Just everything start from beginning. Before you download it, I just start a fresh new Unreal Engine game project. So I just go back to my Epic Game Launcher and launch the Unreal Engine 5.7. For today, this is the latest version. Now the Unreal Engine 5.7's editor is launching. Just wait for a few seconds. Now the Unreal Engine 5 is already launched. Then as demo, I'm going to just start everything from a fresh new game project. I click new project here, then I choose the third person, create. Everything start from beginning so that you will know what's happening and without being interrupted by the old project. Everything just start from beginning. Right now, the Unreal Engine 5 game project already launched. Now, this is a fresh new game project, and then now I'm going to show you how to import this. Alright, if this is the first time you open the Unreal Engine 5.7, the content browser, this content browser is not here. So you have to call out the content browser first. Just go to the window, content browser, just activate the content browser 1 so that it will appear at the bottom or anywhere. You can drag this to anywhere. This is what we call the content browser. You can just drag it to the bottom if you want. Alright, next at here, just create a new folder. Name this as ActorCore Motion. Enter one time and enter another time. It will go into the folder. Then now it's the time to show you how to import the ActorCore motions. Now, just for example, I want this. I just click download, and the download option, you need to make sure you export the correct way. So what we need to do is just make sure you tick export motion only for Unreal Engine 5.7, then click next. Alright, then here you choose the UE5 skeleton because the target is the Unreal Engine 5. Just choose this. Of course, if you are using other platform like the Blender or Maya or 3ds or Cinema 4D, they have the related formats. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the Unreal Engine 5 skeleton. Then the FPS, you can choose this, but by default, I will just choose 30. You can just make it mirror. That means it is going to flip the whole motions, or just make it move in place so that it doesn't have the root motion. If you want to if you want to just remove the root motion, just make sure it move in place. So now for this time, maybe I choose the mirror. I want to flip it, and for this time, I want it to move in place. It's okay. So it doesn't matter. Just click download. Then now you can see it processes at the background of the ActorCore. It will automatically just make sure it becomes the format of the Unreal Engine 5, and now you can download it. It automatically downloads it at here. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see it paused, so I have to click one more time to make sure it's done. And now it's the time to open. So now I just want to open the folder, and then you can see it is under my download folder. You can just directly click here in your File Explorer. This is a zip folder, so you have to extract it. This is a zip file. I extract it in the folder of the same name. Double click in, go into the motion. Now you can see the FBX file is already here. Actually, you don't need to do any job. It's already in the correct format. So now I back to the Unreal Engine 5, the content folder here. I drag and drop the motion file in FBX format, drag and drop into here. Then just scroll down. you have to make sure you find the skeleton. Scroll down at here until you find the skeleton. Here, you choose the SK mannequin. This is the default skeletons of the Unreal Engine 5, and later you can just retarget it from the mannequin to any other 3D characters. So this time, just click import first. It will automatically import in the correct format. So now I'm going to just test it. I double click to open. You can see this is exactly the motion. Play. So it is not move in place. So you may just want it to be stationary at and move it at the in place without the root motion. It's okay. So you may just back to the Unreal Engine, back to the ActorCore and download again to make sure you export motion only at the same time it move in place. This is very important. It is going to fix move in place. Download it. Then just wait for a while. It's going to download very soon. Alright, then open the folder, and for this time you just right click, extract here, extract in the same folder name, motion. So for this time, jump to endurance. I'm going to just label it as in place. Alright, so this one I also just make it the same name. These two, make sure it is the same file name before you import it. So now back to the Unreal Engine. I'm going to just close this first. This is not in place, so the one that I want to import it is another version that what we call in place without the root motions if you need it. So do the same way, scroll down until you see the skeleton. Choose the SK mannequin, just import it. So the one in place, which one? Should be this one, no? This one. Just open and see. Alright, this is everything in place, you can see. Although it just choose the same file name, but this is the best version to make sure it is in place. For this one, it contains the root motion. So some of the game developer, maybe you always want to choose this. Move in place. Wow. Move in place, in mirror, it already flipped. Alright. That's all. And back to the motions. Actually, there are so many motions. It is about 5,000. It is nearly 5,000 of the ActorCore motions, which you can just choose whatever you want here and just purchase with about a few dollars, maybe $5, $2. It is up to you. Maybe you can just pick some of the motion that you want for your game developing project. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the ActorCore motions, the body motions, into Unreal Engine 5.7 with really easy setup, just no setup required, no job required. You can just directly use it as easy as possible, and later you just retarget it in your other 3D avatar in your Unreal Engine 5. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.